You turn on your PlayStation 4. It beeps, but won't boot up. This problem is one of the most common issues gamers face. In this video, we're going to walk through simple and effective steps to fix this problem. Let's get into it. Step 1. Power reset. Most people skip this step, but it solves a huge portion of beep but no boot problems. Start by unplugging the PS4's power cable directly from the outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds. This fully drains any residual electrical charge and clears the internal power state. After waiting, plug the console back into a wall outlet, not a power strip or surge protector, and try turning it on again. Step 2. Check the power cable and outlet. If the PS4 still won't come on, the next step is to test the basics, the power cable and the outlet. Try another wall socket in a different room, and if you have access to a known good PS4 power cable, swap it out. Also, make sure nothing is plugged into the PS4's USB ports during this test. A failing cable or poor connection can starve the system of the consistent power it needs to complete its boot sequence. Step 3. Check your display connection. Sometimes the PS4 actually does turn on, but the display doesn't show anything, making it look like it didn't boot. Before you go deeper, swap out the HDMI cable and try a different HDMI port on your TV or monitor. If you still see no video, but the PS4 light stays on, this suggests the console's operating system might be running but failing to send video output. Step 4. Enter Safe Mode. Safe Mode is Sony's recovery environment built into every PS4. To enter it, make sure the console is fully off, then press and hold the power button. You'll hear the first beep, keep holding, and around 7 seconds later, you'll hear a second beep. When that second beep happens, release the button. Connect a controller with a USB cable and press the PS button. If you reach safe mode, you have access to tools that can fix software issues, rebuild the system database, or reinstall firmware. If safe mode is reachable, but none of the options fix the startup problem, the last software-based step is a full system software reinstall. This requires a USB drive with the official PlayStation firmware loaded in a specific folder structure. This process erases all data on the PS4, so it's a step you only take when other safe mode options fail. If you perform this reinstall and the PS4 still just beeps and won't start, it strongly points to an internal hardware issue.